The Move Money tab allows you to transfer money between the accounts shown on your Accounts page or to accounts at other financial institutions. You can schedule single or multiple transfers, and even advanced transfers, which allow you to set a transfer that comes from one account and is distributed to multiple accounts, or from multiple accounts deposited into one account. You can also create a transfer template for transfers that occur frequently. You can view a list of completed transfers in the transfer history, as well as add accounts from other financial institutions for transfers. Let's start by creating a single transfer. In the Transfers menu, select Schedule Single Transfer. Then select the account you want the money to come out of, the account you want the money to be transferred to, any description of what to include, the amount, the frequency, which will be one time, recurring, or occasional, period, such as weekly, monthly, or quarterly, and then the schedule date. Notice the cutoff time for this transfer at the bottom of this page. The transfer will process that day. When done, simply click on Transfer. Review the details of the transfer. If everything looks okay, click on Transfer. Then click Done. You can view pending transfers and recent transfers. To view more transfers, click on View Transfer History and specify the details here. Scheduling multiple transfers works much the same way, except it allows you to make 4 transfers on one screen for convenience. As mentioned earlier, use Advanced Transfers to schedule a transfer that comes from one account and goes into many accounts, or from many accounts into one account. Just select the transfer type and complete the 4 steps to process the transfer. To transfer money to another institution, from the Move Money menu, click on Add External Transfer Account. Review and accept the agreement. Complete all the fields to identify the account. Then click Submit. It's important to note that in order to validate this account, 2 small deposits and 1 single withdrawal will be submitted for posting. As a security precaution, once these transfers have been processed, you will be required to validate the amounts of the deposits before you can transfer money into this account.